High-speed SRM system. Introduction. The high-speed SRM system is usually applied in the automated warehousing. It is the most important lifting and transportation equipment in the intelligent three-dimensional AS/RS. It has the characteristics of a high speed and a strong load capacity and etc. compared with the conventional SRM. Its main difference is reflected in change of traveling structure. Adopting the bearing box structure in the form of rubber-coated wheels, and both ends are controlled by servo motors at the same time. It is safe and stable and highly cost performance. It is widely used in intelligent storage scenes in the general environment of many industries such as machinery, electronics, automobile, furniture, medicine, tires, etc., and the special environments such as the cold chain and the chemical industry. System composition. The SRM system is mainly composed of upper beam, column, lower beam, loading platform, fork, control system, communication system, and other parts. The anti-sway structure realizes fast and precise positioning. The independent travel driving box makes the connection more tight and reliable. The eccentric structure guide wheel makes the SRM run more smoothly. The edge steel structure ground rail and the rubber wheel improve the acceleration and effectively reduce the equipment operation noise. The design conforms to ergonomics, and the equipment is operable and maintainable. Technical parameter. The main performance indicators of the system: walking speed up to 240 meters per minute, lifting speed up to 90 meters per minute, fork speed up to 90 meters per minute, maximum acceleration 1 meter per second squared, maximum load 1,500 kilograms, and the efficiency of a single cycle and a compound cycle can be increased by 35%.
系统特点：运行速度快，作业效率高，具有手动、半自动、单机自动和联机自动4种操作方式，双闭环控制、4伏响应，定位精准，系统风险低，模块化、轻量化结构设计，运行稳定，安装维护方便。S 型柔性加速控制，优化电机输出扭矩，实现动作快速流畅，同时减少结构冲击。